Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to free up memory without the need to remove apps. So first of all, and probably the most obvious thing which we can do is to enter the cleanup. This app is pre-installed by your developer, so you do not have to install any kind of third-party apps. Simply enter the cleanup, find it in the list of apps, and here you've got the quick clean, which you can simply enter, tap on it, and your device will remove some kind of cache files. Here you can also check the space size, and you've got different categories like image cleanup, video cleanup, and audio cleanup. And I highly recommend to go through those sections because usually we are storing a lot of things which are not really that necessary, and they are occupying the memory. Moreover, here you've got large files, and also I highly recommend to enter this section because sometimes we can remove some of those large files. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to also clear cache, but not in the cleanup section. So let's open the settings first of all. Here we have to scroll and find the apps and go to all apps. So this is the list of all apps which we've got currently installed on this device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, and to remove cache. So just tap on the app, tap on storage and cache, and unfortunately we do not have any cache here, but let me go maybe into the Chrome, storage and cache, and here we've got cache files. So simply tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. And thanks to going through all of those apps which are listed here, you will be able to release a vast amount of memory. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So let's open your file manager. It doesn't matter if you will use the one provided by the developer or any kind of third-party app, for example from Google. For sure you will have the section which is called downloads. Let's simply tap on it. In my case I do not have any files here, but as I said, I highly recommend to simply check yours and remove those which you do not really need. And as a last thing which I would like to recommend, and which I'm personally using, is the backup. I will not show it to you here because we've got a detailed separate video of how to back up the data in this specific device, so I highly recommend to check that. But I just wanted to mention it because you've got at least two advantages of the backup. First of all, not only you will be able to store your files in a safe place, so for example you will still have the access to them if something happened to your device, for example when it is broken or lost, etc. And secondly, you will be able to actually remove the files from your internal storage because they will be saved in another place, thanks to which you will be able to save some memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.